Good afternoon, everyone. This is Priyal Verma from ACJ Newsroom. Rise of COVID-19 has proved to be a demise for businesses across the world. With Lucknow under lockdown since March, businesses have taken a steep turn. Many have lost their livelihood while others are trying hard to cope up with it. Today, I'm present here with one of the Lucknow self-made entrepreneur and an activist, Mr. Saif Siddiqui, who is the owner of Hideout Cafe. Now, he will be telling us about his experience and how he has managed to help people during the times of need. Let me start by asking my very first question, that when did you really decide to become an entrepreneur?
Being a guy from a business background family, I always wanted to start something of my own. I came up with the idea to open a Hideout Cafe in the year 2016, in the second year of my college. And we executed on the idea and implemented it well. And we came up with this cafe. And we named it Hideout.
Restaurants and cafes have remained shut for entire lockdown. So how did it really impact your business?
It had a very major impact on our business, and it was very difficult for us to cope up with the situation, shutting down the business overnight due to the pandemics. We didn't had the idea it will go so long, as it was being decided for 21 days it will be a lockdown. We were prepared for 21 days, but later on it extended it for the months. But we have coped up with the situation, and now we are back to the business, hoping for the best to come.
So, Saif, even during the shutdown, you were able to distribute food among the slum areas of Lucknow. Did you face any kind of problems regarding receiving the permission from the police officials?
In the starting, it was very difficult for us to reach out to people, as it was not allowed to go out. Later on, we contacted the administration. They have been very generous and cooperative with us. They helped us to establish Hideout as a community kitchen and get us the permission of vehicles to distribute the food among the different parts of Lucknow, in slum areas, on railway station, on bus stations, and etc.
How did you manage the financial burden of the distribution cost?
In the starting, we didn't have the idea we will be needing a lot of money for that. We arranged small amount because we had limited resources, we had limited funds. Later on, when we saw the reality on the ground, as it was needed very much, there were a lot of people who were hungry. There were people who were migrating, were coming on foot from a long distance for like 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers. People were migrating and were walking. We decided we will be asking people for contribution in the form of ration. We started a campaign on Instagram, on Facebook, and other social media platforms. We started getting the donations in the form of ration, and that helped us to reach the maximum amount of people. We have reached around 25,000 people during the lockdown, and we have served them with the cooked food.
According to International Labour Organization, over 10 crore workers have lost their jobs in trade, manufacturing and food sector. Did you lay off any of your staff workers, or do they all remain intact?
This market has been destroyed. It has a very major impact, as the supply chain has got disturbed. As the market was running very smoothly before the pre-pandemics and was growing on a very large scale, it was the biggest market as compared to the other industries. Food industry was the major industry with the growth. With the pandemic impact, it was very difficult for us to cope up, to handle it well. Though we have retained all our staff by now. In the starting, few of the staff has left for the home, but now all of our staff is back home. We are working with the complete staff right now.
With the market slowly moving back to normal, what kind of difference do you observe in the rate of customers returning back from pre-lockdown period?
As compared to pre-lockdown, there is a major huge difference in the customer walk-in. As a basic customer is from college and school, as we tend to focus on the customer from colleges and schools, as we are youngsters cafe. So it's very difficult for us to get a good amount of customer to run the business smoothly. Though we are hoping for the best, as college will be open pretty soon. We are all prepared with all the precautions. We are all prepared with all the social distances. We have changed the placement of tables and everything with complete social distancing and all the measures that we have to take for the pandemics.
Thank you so much for joining in with us. This is all for now. For more updates regarding the latest news, stay tuned into ACJ News channel. This is Priyal Verma signing off.